Hi John, I'm happy to let you know that the project is ready and here I'm recording the video about the instruction, how the system is working and okay, let's start. So your first requirement was the fix the rows on the calculator that have errors. Yeah, I saw you the code was broken and that is not working, but now it's fixed. So as per your selection, like electrical, then you can see it's changing as per the selection. So I just fixed all the formula here. Okay, then there's a way to lock the 12 calculator. Okay, we want to lock the calculator. Yeah, I locked the calculator, uh, some of the formulas except the drop down, because if I locked, then you cannot, or the user cannot change it. So rather than this selection and the quantity section, all are locked, so no one cannot break the code. Then there is a copy a construction calculator header project name on the top. So yeah, the project name, you can see the project name here, and once you change the project name, contractor and customer is all, it will also update in this list. So like if I change it to if I change the vendor name like John, then you will see uh, sorry, it is a non-vendor customer. Like if I change the John, then you can see it will change. So project name, contractor and customer will change when you make the change in this sheet. There is a clear button. Okay, there is a clear button, so you want uh, and to clear this calculator, and you want to set as a value as select, but it's a little it's not the 100% work like you want, but it's 99% work. Like you can see lots of selection here, but if you go to the here you can see the custom menu, like click here. If you click, there is option for clear. Once you press the clear, the script will run. uh, there is an error. Okay, let me let me work on it. Okay, I think this is broken, but okay, let me work on it. Okay, skip this one, I'm going to the next. I'll fix this one soon. So there's a pending, I'm marking it. Okay, next, the need the ability to set the construction calculator to a drive folder and uh, as a PDF with the touch of the button on the spreadsheet. Can this okay, yeah, I just built this one. So here also you can see there is a how you save this one. You need to copy the file and move that copy file to a Google Sheet folder, sorry, Google Drive folder, and then that will, then on that folder, once you click the save button, the PDF will generate and rename it to the address name as you mentioned here. uh, so I'm clicking here, you can see save the PDF. uh, it's generating. You can see one thing, I need to set up this file to a Google Drive and run the script from that ID. So give me a Gmail or your dedicated email ID with the password to me, then I will log in and set up all these things on the Google Drive and run the script, so you can use from that account smoothly. So if you could give me the dedicated email address, either it Gmail or any other your own hosted email, that is not a problem, but just give me the email ID and the password, and I will set up into your own Google Drive. So the file is sorry, the file is same, and rename it. I'm searching this one. Yeah, you can see uh, this is the one just created. The rename the file is the address name, you can see as per your requirement, and then you can see the whole calculator is whole calculator is converted to a PDF file. And once you set up the Google Drive, then you need to um, copy the folder link here, and then the last one, you want to send the PDF as email attachment to the contactor, to the client and the vendor. Yeah, I developed this one. So uh, for this functionality, I created a separate uh, template. It's called template. Well, once you change everything, it's a mirror tab, and there is the three button, one for email to contractor, email to client, and email to vendor. What you need to do, you put the email address, like the contractor email address, then the client email address, and the vendor email address, and mm, you can put the subject line here. But you want to send button here, but some for some coding reason, I cannot set the button in this sheet. That's why I just created the template. It's a mirror of the calculation. It is updating live, so once you change anything in the calculator, that will also change in this template. So just call the uh, email to contractor. If you press the email to contractor, a script will run and send an email um, to the given email address. Here I put my email address, so I'm going to my inbox, and you can see the subject line is the first mail, and please see the attach. You can change this text as well. It's a default I put, and if it is an attachment of the calculator, if you click the PDF, then you can see the PDF is generating and sent to the given email address. This way, if you click the email to client, that's also send an email to vendor also. But you want as a timestamp when it sends, but it's cannot possible at the moment. But if you like go to the your email address, which one it will use to send the email, then you can find the time and date in this email. So you can understand the system is ready for use. Check it, and for the clear option, I will work and I will confirm you once it works again. And yeah, so give me an email address and with the password, then I will set myself for you, so you can use from that end. Thank you.